is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this warped music video transition using Filmora 12. This is so simple to make, so let's jump into Filmora and get started. Okay guys, this is the clip I'm using to create our effect. So first you need to create an animation like this to switch next clip. You can simply create this using opacity. And this is the adjustment layer for adding our effects. So first let's create the warp effect, so go to the Effects tab. Select Boris FX, then select the Displacement map, and add it to our adjustment layer. Then go to the Effects settings, and select Horizontal Displacement, and change it to something 25. Then select Vertical Displacement, and change it to something 15. Then go to the Start, and create a keyframe on Master Displacement, and change it to 0. Then go a few seconds forward, and increase the value. After that go to the end, and change the value to 0 again. Okay, now our warp transition looks like this. So here you can see this black area. So let's see how to remove this. So go to the Effects tab, select New Blue FX, then select Tile Effect, then add it to our adjustment layer. Then go to the Effects settings, and make sure to bring the tile effect to the top. And also change the preset mode to reset to none. Okay, now you can see the black area perfectly removed. So now we need to add this zoom edge look to our transition. So go to the Boris FX tab, select Image Restoration, then select Lens Correction, and add it to this layer. Then go to the Effects settings, and select the start point, then change the correction value to 0, and create a keyframe. Then go here, and change this to 100, then go to the end, and change it again to 0. Okay guys, now our transition looks like this. So finally let's add some shake effects. So here I add extreme effects. Also I add this heartbeat effect. Okay guys, our warp transition is done. Here's the result. So that's pretty much it guys. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy this, and please leave a like this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment about this video, and what tutorial you like next. So let's meet up the next video. Take care and peace.